Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In this report, we have several events. We'll talk about the killing of 3 Nuer women in Rumbek, North County by Dinka youth. Second, we'll talk about the new clashes and military control in United States. And third, we'll talk about a warning from an SPLA-IO group to army civilian. And fourth, we'll talk about the denial of seizing humanitarian vehicle in Jonglei State by the SPLA-IO. And fifth, we'll talk about a new directive from President Salva Kiir Mayardit's office. And finally, we'll talk about a deadly road accident involving South Sudanese citizen in Sudan. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with this sad news. We begin with a sad and disturbing story. According to the report, at least 3 Nuer women from United States were killed during an attack in Rumbek, North County, which is part of Lake State. This incident happened while the women were traveling peacefully by boat. According to local authorities, the women were on their way from Juba, the capital city, traveling toward Mayardit County in United State. Their journey was meant to take them home, but instead it ended in tragedy. According to the report, the victims have been identified as Nyamal Riangchan, Nyabong Mayang, and Nyakwong. These were ordinary women, civilians. They are not fighters. They are not soldiers. They were mothers, sisters, and daughters. The commissioner of Mayardit County, John Matif Galok, said the women were attacked while passing through Rumbek, North County. He accused army youth from the area of carrying out the attack. He also criticized local authorities for failing to arrest those responsible. According to the commissioner strongly condemned the killing and say revenge attack and say that innocent civilians should never be targeted under any circumstance. Sadly, this attack is not an isolated case. It is a part of ongoing revenge attack between neighboring communities. This cycle of violence continues to destroy trust, break families, and deepen suffering among innocent people. Well, when contacted the commissioner of Rumbek, North County, he declined to comment and referred question to the state authorities. This incident followed other violent clashes reported recently between communities in Warab State and United State. 8 times civilians paid the highest price. This story reminds us of a painful truth: when law breaks down and justice is delayed, innocent lives are lost. Let's move on to our second top story. Army take control of Kaljak in United State. Now we move to United State, where fighting has caused fear among civilians. The United States government has confirmed that the South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) have taken full control of Kaljak Payam headquarters in Rukana County. According to the State Information Minister, Nyakenya Jonas Kerr, she said that government forces moved into Kaljak and restored control after clash with SPLA-IO forces. And Information Minister Nyakenya Johannes Kerr, she stated that there was an attempt by opposition fighters to return to the area, but government troops pushed them back. According to her, the situation is now calm and stable. The state minister, or the minister said assessments are still ongoing and exact numbers of casualties have not yet been confirmed. However, she admitted that there were injuries and losses on both sides. She emphasized that the army is holding its position to prevent more fighting and protect civilians. The government also rejected claims circulating online that army youths were involved. The minister described this report as false and misleading, saying the fighting was strictly between organized forces. On the other side, sources from the opposition confirmed that their fighters withdrew from Kaljak to another area called Pawel. They described the move as a tactical and meant to avoid further escalation. The fighting started after opposition forces briefly appeared in a strategic area along the road linking to Rubkona and the United State oil field. This area is important for supplies and security. Authorities urge residents to remain calm and trust that security forces are working to protect them. United States has seen repeated violence for many years. Rubkona County remains sensitive due to its large civilian population, oil field, and the presence of displaced people. Let's move on. Opposition group warn army civilian. We turn to a nationwide warning issued by SPLIO group or opposition army group. The South Sudan People Movement and Army, also known as SSPM, has called on army civilians across the country to immediately withdraw from fighting. In a public statement, the group warned civilians in Equatoria, Apanal, and Barghazal region not to take part in military operations. The statement was signed by the group leader, General Stephen Rolnyang. According to the report, according to the group, military operations should only be conducted by organized forces, not civilians. They say army civilians create confusion, increase violence, and put innocent people at risk. The warning comes after a report that civilians and youth may have taken part in clashes in United States following recent fighting in Kaljak. Civil society group and analysts have raised serious concerns that civilians involved could lead to wider violence and more attack on non-combatants. The SLPM party say civilians who want to fight should formally join recognized force rather than act independently. The group also stressed that the conflict should not be framed along ethnic or tribal line. They warned that tribal language and hate speech could fuel more bloodshed. General Bwai is a well-known military figure from United States and has served in the National Army before forming his own movement. Let's move on. SPLMIO denies seizing 8 vehicles in Jonglei State. Now we move to Jonglei State, where humanitarian operations are under pressure. The opposition group SPLMIO has denied issuing an order to seize vehicles belonging to humanitarian organization in northern Jonglei. Well, this denial came after several Western countries strongly condemned what they described as a serious violation of humanitarian principles. According to the SPLMIO spokesperson, Mr. Paul Maidang, a document circulating on social media was fake and forged. He said the commander, whose name appeared on the document, was unaware of it and was shocked by the report. Western embassies, including those of the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and others, had issued a joint statement condemning the reported order. They say no group has the right to take vehicle meant for life-saving aid. The SPLMIO said an investigation committee has been formed to find out who created the fake document and whether any vehicle were taken. Northern Jonglei has recently seen increased fighting causing displacement and disrupting aid delivery in an area already suffering from hunger and insecurity. Let's move on. Key office ban public announcement of sacking. Now we turn to a major political development in Juba. President Salva Kiir Mayardit office has issued a new directive banning the public announcement of appointment and dismissal through state media. Well, for many years, South Sudanese have been used to watching late-night television announcements where officials were suddenly fired or appointed. Under the new order, such decision will now be communicated privately through official letters. The directive also sharing or posting documents signed by the president on social media. Officials who leak information could face serious consequences under the law. The government said this change is meant to improve professionalism, protect dignity, and reduce confusion. Critics, however, say the frequent reshuffle have caused instability in governance. Let's move on. Bush crash in Sudan kills South Sudanese. Finally, we bring you the tragic news from Sudan. According to the report, 12 South Sudanese citizens were killed and 40 others injured in a bus accident in Sudan, Wainal State. The crash happened when two passenger buses collided in the city of Dowem. One of the buses were carrying South Sudanese people returning home. The Minister of Foreign Affairs expressed deep sorrow and sent condolences to the families of the victim. The government said it was not aware of the large movement of citizens and called for better coordination with Sudanese authorities. Many South Sudanese have been returning home after war broke out in Sudan in 2023. Their journey has been dangerous, uncertain, and painful. In conclusion, well, this story reminds us one of the heavy cause of conflict, poor coordination and lack of protection for civilians. Women, children, and ordinary citizens continue to suffer the most. At Changfied News, we believe that peace, truth, and humanity must come first before anything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and continue to stand for peace. Biagamal gwase me bana jo me bana nywakel ati kon kaler sho bakale bu kon kaling bana lantin kon tilod do den ko de kon kaling kaler ban ling te gwase me kan kono ni ami jira me jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel de support de subscribe ko de notification bell de twang komite mi shibere gwa da chwa mala shibikeji was dan pirate chana jatu ka leer nyam leer je salwa je chana writing ko kor gwate paiwo so chana write ko kiman man wedang jok ti chanak daro shal ke Rumbek North County chala do ne ka ngani jani chala da no ne ken man dang jok ti man wori ajena ka unit state kan chaga nak da dop ko Rumbek North County jene a part of Lake State mishit kana me ariek so kan editi mandang dok chanak ti manwari kan wajen kan ke bot jel kan gre year so tel mladik ajo chalat gwase me local authorities ikala do nena kan mandang dok ti no jen kan ka Juba capital city dum South Sudan kukala we ka do Mayardit County ka Unity State. Do ba jelga kamo o de ka chub cheng kamal. You know, when you talk there mo yala just watch. Kaneden kone anak mandang dore kone anak ya ishirin ya alat gwasme. Nyamal riang chan nyabong manyang kanyamu chali nyakong. Mandang dore ti waka ordinary women ka men kan ka civilian chika fighter chika jikko chika de ni bane kanete la mane gan cha yeken cha ga badan gwadmo Commissioner Mayardit County kudu shale John Matip Galok yala do kan menati wa ka attack the shop dien Rumbek North County so che ngwan ko la ngwan jane a che ga gwaj yala do kan ko na kamen anyok bajen yene ko la local authorities kini ko na te ka lwang Rumbek yaga ku diar bon ke che ga la jor ano ken ko na ken ka gor the commissioner chen taran chan nang mendak dogo ti che lo long ka chen ni ko na ke che ga condemn eno cha civilian cha ga de nak civilian cha ga de target ne di jeliken ne di sha de ni ka ba ga nak dar mo ko ken kan wore to mi chir ga me wa chi jan chang nyam chen ngai ko na alo ler shir me ri ben attack nak ken men wa de ton ngani jane ngai ko ne community state ke Rumbek no tek rik ngwan tegatin te ko tegatin ko len kon kati mi rano jena ba yenak don ba mal balat ba yi mal ben bat ka kore bu ben rek nyok bu jeli don ci mal ci ben ci malalat ke kanir kon la jukku men wo ci mal ben taram bran nyot mi jen wi ba jenak jen man jega dana ci to gwaseme en commissioner men re wajin winami ci commissioner don Rumbek North County ya je yode ka ci ga right but ci wuda me ci lugo no lare da right ci jong na no we are right kanite tanyal we are right state authorities ajana tele je long tele power wud janga manala commissioner to na me ajana dana ci lat to ngai kona warab state community state ni chang la mala lat ke bi liab to right now cha mandang dokti man wari ya natin to na me ja new the kono di South Sudan ngode nan e long kamal ke jen gwasmene but we hope things can change so wana kala do dien gwasme Ador shalga me kal jaki to state watch aja kebe dini SSPDF according to the report dana chalat banjelin kel kene kone alada no shinyen ke dini SPLA IO kene dini SSPDF so chikor moje tuok chinere konde la dini SSPDF chikala don wo chiken dor shal mo kal jak chikene ke ka jodan chikene lat tiram dala state information minister nya Kenya Jonas ke chala da wonene ichi dini SSPDF chicken kalja chicken kef ke dini SPLA ayo ka jodan chalat antema telem la rek chimali nyolu njogon winimi ka jodan chalat gwasme but ka jo chalat gwasme ku SPLA mayo ken kan ka konjo de ken le ken rodien jok lok den ko biliaba tok na mo report mi chicken la de ken aso na me amile ro re wichin winimi correction kon ngi kon ken go tok ni cha ka unit state na me amile ro de dorota gwasmi ka unit state wana ka le ro dien bona shal ke opposition group men shal ke SSPM min tipin wuto men shal ke by ron yang ban jeling alaken chicken warning chicken top kugan la kamne de konti la civilian gwazame South Sudan people movement and army men shal ke SSPM chol ke ne dial konti la jiwit la civilian ano chwarun mat re kore kon lat korodian kwarudun wuch gwen kon to korten gwen content tenet and content la dintigten chwa rodun mat gwatmo ke statement which I make publicly and I'm down la kwar no chala do ne ikan wuch ne guru no ba net and content la civilian ke civil ne content la jilora bangre wuch ne guru boren mare ko no chikane kon la civilian intere wiki kotoria keji penal keji bargazal region ken ge jogono do not take part in military operation to adun maktin e kuma nyin karwade instead me ramadan en gore ki war gadan cha gore kur general Stephen Bayrol nya ramadan la kur SS PM or SSPA so gen ramadan gore war ga ka chole ne dial and according to the group chikala do ne military operation should only be conducted by organized force not civilian ajen mate ko mitarka shi bi organized civilian can be ko bu any point de ne karodian so jo mo che jela do ne a chwar confusion chwar je create ko na me mu civilian wolen martin because dan bu njere kori ba wore dori jela do no mi jela do anyok bo mi jela do long an kwar boy ajani che goro be te civilian mi bro martin ka chana jogono chwar e space chwar kalat ke nyir alak regime way keneje mete regime mete je kom nyai na ga je o loko je no bi malba bene jen do bdana terke kule nyi ni de ni karodian chiga civilian ke de ni ke chiga de ni ke civilian e jo mo che jalat Lerdian Guasman Banalat Guasame, Chikuma Spila, which can deny the no take a vehicle, can a captain, la vehicle, ying, humanitarian. So Banajo me Banajalinkel, Katada and Chalakija. Kakon inte pa channel no chi humanitarian she can warga ikana gwar ji embassy so she Western Embassy she can ala do ne shaga jogo no she kuma spila yo she can torbieli nyingi humanitarian she can ga kap ano can organizing content chura yaleka ka chalat anu icha torbiel ken shaga kap tigatin can ji United States ala Western countries no key embassy content wenamo the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany can tin koken we the corner chalat. So reality we the what I gonna gore chicken as well you gonna condemn katada and chalat no can chicken to really gonna cut. But guasame, you pal my dang chawa ganyo como goreja. As well my spokesperson, pal my dang chalado and document qua circulate online. It take a just feel I to chi to really gonna cap a general me fake forget. Tela kuma asfela mayo te ji humanitarian torbiel ngen je kep ngene yeno ji humanitarian la dene wo bi kana bi kan kalwa anwar gada na chagor e kach teram chi la no en report mo go gornje no baji asfela ayo ba go jeno chi kan ji humanitarian kana la je but kene mission mo kene konlat tele vehicle dungi humanitarian mi cha kaf ci pal mai ci jomo ci jelat no ka ci ñom gore jene Western embassies atin kon kelin gwasme kon we are committed anyok lene investigation and ram mom let fake information ke fake document ke forged document gune bene gwada ante tin bene go ci kan jomo kana lat kana shiga kan gor mo warga baram be ramuku gayni kuma espelayo ka kai ke ka chak mo chato wane kaler endodien kirma yadit che announcement la tobe ka wajda ka kware wi ka South Sudan che nyok mu wojeje report cha alat pan chi selpke mi yadit president dung South Sudan che la do ne ajene cha announcement cha wi nyok mu lat ke je ka SSBC la South Sudan Broadcast Corporation eno te garam ba wuch mi che la do mit wai karan e kuma ka milalet ka South Sudan ba gwarje warga ba warga be du no kwen ba chi wuch no na me ko online but chinere ngani radio online no angu to no me kaya karuntu ngwan ku South Sudan mu woi karan la kan ko na we ka SSBC ba ja announcing baramadan we ka bajalat ba chaja la do ne me tike la do ne me chi chuon jenne me ni chero do binyok mu woi karan teme baran ba gore warga den ba yo wuch jenta dan chelat ki je so jennen chi president self kem yadi la no mu woi ki ba no ni ji warga chuo bajalat ka television ka SSBC chagwa ban ngai kon diale ni siang SSBC ka ta badda ke ta bangon ka tiang na nyutar gorga manana bala da president self kem yadit woje na ki mete mu la but the president yala da wona me baro da dil kapjong jenna me no attention mu charan wojin dan la ne din mala kana go dong de ko de kana ter charan en chadol but kum jala da won tama ba nan na warga ba nungi ka muktabdu bai yorar ko tel tension mu gorke na me mishalat kuna tije no chi self ke mi yadi teje butul ngon mi shitka na mene na me da jenda nan de yan linga mena na chala da self ke mi yadi ler diena ler mu bej bana linker to kon ke South Sudanese te tere week ka Sudan ka gwade dan me ko me to ka Sudan ke 2023 chi ga gagan winimi kene dialti gni te kon te put ke 2013 me na kan wore which ka Juba ka jo chalat gwase me te ka tragic mi to pan ana joji to genen man chalat awachi ne dang wara utila so Sudanese yeken chika test nien gwan mi mo ci turbil ci yakten an turbil an ci yakene dang wara shekanak ene de jendang wan ci moy ko bot an turbil mo ci take accident dor shalke Sudan's Wainal state jen ci wa ken turbil dangro shika room kanangro shika collide dor gwad shalke do wem and one much baza dan ku South Sudanese ku la kap jero yu dun jene dang woro chaganak kan jibon jen wana tone cha na me cha yelat Minister of Foreign Affairs chala do ne men chitwo ka jallo am jidilung chike condolence message gana jakke messages kalwach ano chilo da je ka manan choda lat jeno ne loy dun ko kataran jigalar keje ay kala they are not aware of large movement and obtain a result la so Sudanese gen ka Sudan do ka so Sudan ko na gen ka Sudan ko le so Sudan ka do bren kana mo kene ku kene jela chal kene ku mi che dier ga ne ka da ko ngaji din en obtain a ten wana mo ban men bu ko ngaji ne de wante en winemi nuari dinka kene ne diala ko ken na wona ka ta tere wich ka Sudan so mitere mi chitu la gor bana ba ga che ko kene de kon la che mane kon ka gwa dan to ko tin kon la na jen re wichin win mi bu ko kul ben ka South Sudan so la regla to ko so na me jen dan cho da la re wichin win mi jen message dan go re de nya ya kel mi jera mi jidit gwa me ka Changfied YouTube channel go jen ojin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko bi notification bar bi jetwan ko mte mi bare gwa bi chamala chi bi kiji an ban jigala rodien ya tika mal bye bye